在这个浪漫的季节，在这个刚好的时间，我扭过头刚好看见有个恰巧的你在我身边。麻烦请问现在几点？我的手机刚好没电，我想找一家咖啡店，等着我的秒钟注定出现。
Guys, it's our first day in XI'AN and it's already 4:19 in the afternoon and we're going to a mall right now. Bye! Guys, I got this drink from this store. I'm trashing it. I drink only half because I thought it was just grass jelly and milk, but then there's also red bean, which I don't eat, and then peanut, which is freaking weird, and it also has some raisins, which I don't even know why it's in there, and I can't. Snacks and drinks.
Dude, look, accessorize and accessories, like, bro, one fucking job, bro.
Why is there freaking swans in this mall? I'm so freaking confused. Like hello? Hello? Help. Is that real? What is that thing? This one has eggs too. This one, these laid eggs, bro. Anyway, so basically we went to eat a buffet and it was freaking disgusting and horrible, and I'm never gonna eat a meal ever again because I'm traumatized.
I'm never eating meat ever again.
And yeah, guys, we went out the wrong subway exit and we ran into the Zhonglou. Ta-da! Isn't it cool and stunning? Let me just zoom it in for you guys so you can see the full details. Hey guys, it's currently very late in the morning, actually very early in the morning. It's 2:03 a.m. Me and Nikki are here. We are gonna watch a movie. Oh my god, I look terrible right
Watch
now. A movie. We're just gonna have the movie playing and then fall asleep. It is Sleeping Beauty. Okay, so yeah, that's all. Bye. Hey guys, it's our second and last day in XI'AN because we're only here for 1.5 days basically. It's 12:52 and we're going to yongxingfang. 肉夹馍 Chinese hamburger. How is it? Good?
It's a lot better than
It what?
it tastes a lot better than it tastes. It tastes better
Than it looks. Okay. What's some biang mian? Pretty good. Guys, we're at CARBY. Like, this is so cute. Yeah. I honestly don't even know what I ordered. But yeah. It's better gonna be good probably. Got this.
22号顾客请。
Holy moly.
Hi. 摔碗酒。等会儿。摔碗。Potatoes. Really hot. Good?
It just tastes like fucking potatoes.
Take a mini bite. It's hot, I think.
Pretty sure this one tastes good.
Hot.
Hello. We got lamb noodles. It's really exciting. Hey, Valerie, what do we have for today?
羊肉汤.
This is lamb noodles. And then what else? And then we got a sandwich. So Yep, I totally filmed the food.
Lamb, and then this is vermicelli.
Alright, and then what do we have on this side?
It's just a more.
And what is it?
He's supposed to. I don't know what he's supposed to do with this.
Shall we look inside? Nothing! I think you're supposed to like put the
Put it
meat
inside. What the freak does this say? TNT fans go crazy.
We saw. Hi guys, we're gonna eat the takoyaki. We brought a bunch of food. Wow, that's pretty cool. Mmm.
Yay! I got a pillow, guys.
Yeah, babe.
We got sushi.
Okay, this is the first one.
Give us a taste test. Like, here's the food.
Why are we eating sushi at XI'AN? Don't know.
Because we're goofy and silly.
Yeah, we just
Aren't
eat
you guys
whatever.
eating tonight? Is that
We don't even know if we're gonna go anymore. It's so crowded. Guys, the subway here at XI'AN is so crowded. I don't know if it's because we're here on a week. Oh, hold on, let me get something.
I'm gonna film it.
Got towels.
Did you get pillows?
Did what?
Pillows?
Yeah, I never got mine.
Oh, thank you.
That's for me.
Oh.
Anyways, I don't know if it's because we're here on the weekend, but it's like so crowded. It's like packing sardines in the subway. So I was gonna like go to 大堂不夜城, but now I'm rethinking my choices and I might just not go anywhere today. And today's our last day in XI'AN.
I think we should do it.
I don't want to be packed like sardines.
Wah, bro. We can drive.
Take a taxi.
Sure.
I heard that it's really hard to take taxi there because it gets really like insanely like.
I mean, just squirting it out.
I'm
Okay.
just gonna try one.
Okay.
I'm gonna try this sushi.
So fucking pathetic.
Can I have napkins? Touch my.
Not bad.
How would you rate this out of 10?
7.
Okay.
Hey guys, it's our last night in XI'AN, but we're not doing anything. We're just in the hotel. We're watching a movie, and that's all. So that's like the end of our XI'AN trip, and we're gonna be in another city tomorrow in the afternoon. So yeah. Bye. Say bye.
My calculations were correct. They turned out to be wrong.
是故事关于他跟他的他，故事的配角他无法自拔。She got me feeling da 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 da. She got me feeling da 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 da. 这故事关于他跟他的他。She got me feeling da 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 da. She got me feeling da da